Hello everyone, Mike Shreve here. Just wanted to contribute to the group. It's been a while since I posted anything or did anything in the group. So I just wanted to show you one of the tools that I made for myself. This is a little WSO checklist and I want to kind of run down and show you how you can use it. So first off, if you click through the link in the post, you'll just be able to go File and then make a copy. And then when you make a copy, it'll make a copy um, to your Google Docs or Google Drive or whatever they're calling it now. So you'll be able to have your own copy of this and you can make your own edits and things like that. So basically, you'll see a few things in here are specific to me because I'm a member of the Six Figure Alliance with Ken Sturr. It's an awesome program, and I have a few things in here that I do specifically with that. But basically everything else is sort of generic and easily understandable just by reading it. But basically I've got my WSO checklist. I don't really change that. I do change this. I put the name of whatever it is I'm going to be doing. So, offline PLR Kingdom, dentist version or whatever. Launch date and time. That's when I want this thing to be launched. And the reason I make these spreadsheets is because I have a bunch of staff that help me do all this stuff. So, I want everyone to be on the same page. And then for funnel, this little bit here is where I put, whatever the front end offer is, whatever the OTO offer is, and then if there's another OTO or whatever, just so everyone's on the same page and we can just look back and be like, okay, that's the first OTO, that's the second OTO or whatever. Second is this day 1 through 8. That doesn't have to be just 8 days. So usually what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll maybe like actually put this specific day. So for today, this would be January 21st, and then maybe I don't want to launch until February 21st. But basically, you just put whatever day this stuff needs to get done, and I like to have a big sort of gap between setting up the pre-launch stuff and then all of the secondary stuff or the launch day and follow up with all of that. And the last thing that I want to show you here is I actually learned this from an architect friend of mine. When they do their big project boards for building buildings, they'll have all their tasks laid out like this across the calendar, just like this. And then when they finish a task, they will simply mark it green, so that what happens is you can get a really good visual, like, okay, we did this one, we did this one, we did that one. It's pretty easy to see what needs to be done and get a real easy visual on the percentage completion for the task that you have at hand. So this is what I used. It's really, really helpful, really, really handy. Allows me to do, several projects all at once. I actually use this same system for basically all the projects that I get done. I'm going to put a link in here to Asana. It's my favorite project management platform. If you have staff or even if you just want to use it for yourself, it's absolutely fantastic for getting things done. So I like to start this whole thing off with just loading everything in Asana. It sends you regular reminders, sends my staff reminders, all that kind of good stuff. So I just wanted again to share this with you. Hopefully some of you find it helpful. It might have a few tips and tricks in here, just getting it all organized and getting it done. So anyways, I hope you're all having a great 2013 and talk to you later.